Live chat is one of the best ways to engage or communicate with your customers. If you want to add a live chat on your website or on your Shopify website, then you're going to have to use an application which is provided by Shopify for free. Now, this application is called Inbox. What you have to do is log into your admin section, and then you're going to go to apps. Now you'll click on apps, and then you can go to recommended applications, and then you can visit Shopify App Store from the bottom. Now once you're here, you're just going to search for Inbox. Tap the search and type Inbox. So you have Shopify Inbox right here. Then you're going to install this application. You see that the pricing is absolutely free because it helps you have that communication and live chat icon on your website. So once you've installed this application, now you're just going to click on open it. It will open on another tab. You can always also access it from the apps section of your site, like down here. You can always open it. So the other thing is that it is somehow like a sales channel as well, because you see it's added there, but you can also access it from apps. Now once you've come to this section, you can now start creating your online store chat. You see I have online store chat on, so I just want to go to manage settings if I'm creating it afresh. So you can select customize chat from here, which will open the chat customization, where you can decide to add specific text or colors, questions, add links to maybe other items on your store and all that. Now if I go to this here, these are customization charts, customization features. So this mainly gives me the color section. I can add it with the code. I can add button colors. I can choose icon colors. I can add the basic messages here. But if I want to do much more, like things like these other settings, then I just have to scroll down here and look at what I need to turn on, things like instant answers. So you see under instant answers that you have the preview here is how long does it take to ship. So I can like view this and edit it. So I have the question and the response. So I can draft how long that takes. If I want to turn it off, I just tap turn off, so that this question does not appear within this section of my live chat. I can change each and every one of these here. So if I want to think something like what is your return policy, I'll just open the return policy and edit it, add what I need, and then publish this setup. Usually you are given the suggestions, so usually you have like suggestions based on your own website nature. For this case it is shipping, because you're doing like physical products. If it is a service, you probably have different questions here with the other suggestions and actually response suggestions. So you have like 5 of them. I can expand and look at all of them. I can also create my own instant answer. So I can like open that and put my own question and type the answer there. So it becomes like customized without using the provided pre-created questions and answers. Now you can also choose to show the pre-chat form and like give the users an option to opt in to marketing. This is usually like a strategy people use to collect email address for email marketing. So that is a setting that you can also activate. Now, once you've done that, let's just have a look at it, a preview of how this chart looks on the website. So if this is your site, for instance, the chart appears. So you see in this case, it appears on the bottom right hand side. So you see, if you hover, you see Shopify online store chat. So if I click on it like this, See, now I have like the option to type my own message and send. If I just say hello there, for instance, I am able to send this message, or optionally I have the instant answers to the questions that we created there. So if I clicked on how does it take for your product to ship, the instant response will be provided just like we set it on the other side. So then we have the sign up for updates. So this is the option where I told you can activate the pre-chat and marketing opt-in. So you can continue chatting. If you say something like tracking, for instance, if there is a user online, a support assistant online, then you'll be given they'll respond immediately. If not, you'll be told to provide your login or maybe details, email address, name, then your information will be stored, and then you can get a response when there is a support assistant available. So that's the preview of how your um, live chat will appear on your Shopify store. Now that's how you build a live chat for your website and keep your website visitors engaged.